Okay, I just saw this video and I've been looking to find one of those entities with the six appendages. I still don't have a real good name for them. Mothmen, I guess, is the latest thing, but because they do have the rounded, translucent wings, and I do believe that they were the beings that were mistakenly called Mothmen back in the 60s. Because when they do fly and they kind of hover, their heads are on the small side. Matter of fact, one couple that had seen one made mention of that. They said that it had an oddly small head, but the eyes glowed. It had the smooth wings like a moth, and its legs were also kind of strange. They tapered at the bottom, they said, and that to me sounds like a tail. They just didn't realize that's what they were looking at. And they said it was a greenish gray colored skin, smooth, almost wet looking. It was so smooth, kind of amphibious looking. And that pretty much exactly describes these things that I see. Okay, here's the surface of the moon. This video is showing a couple UFOs passing over the surface of the moon. And while I'm watching that, I'm going to play it. I got the sound off on it, but I'm going to go ahead and play it and look at the object that I'm going to point at right. Ooh, let me get that off the screen. Right. Ooh, dang it. I hate it when it does that. Oh my God. Right here. Look at that. There's the head. There's this 1, 2, 3 appendages. There's the tail. You can even see the stripes on it. I'm going to rewind that for a second so you can see it again. It's coming up in 1 second here. I couldn't believe it. Okay, here it goes. It's right here. Now, that's the surface of the moon. There's a crater. This thing's got to be huge. Huge. And I knew they got big because, oh, there it is. There you go. I mean, you can see that plain as day. Head, kind of amphibious looking like a frog. 3 legs on each side. Tail. And like I said, you can see the stripes on it. Oh, wow. That's the best one I've seen yet. The best proof. Look at that bad boy. And the UFOs are flying right by it. I'm sure they got some kind of relationship. But there you go. Uncloaked, big as can be. All right, I'm going to turn this off.